2019 Chevrolet Express 2500 8-lug Chevy commercial cargo work van. We have a large fleet of these vans available. We will wholesale to other dealers. This particular one has 9,000 miles. The mileages vary from about 8,000 miles to 20,000 miles. These are all under full factory warranty. They were short-term lease. Clean vans. We send these through the Chevrolet dealer for service and inspection and to make sure there's no recalls. They have full factory warranty still in effect, which is 336 and 550. So excellent warranty package. They have the extra bumpers, side steps, sliding side door, barn rear doors, tie down areas on the walls, floor mat with tie downs, and headache rack safety divider, which can be turned into a door. I think these are typically bolted together, but you can make that into a door or take it out. Express 2500 cargo vans. Probably about 50 of these available. Call with any questions or check the website davis4x4.com for more information, credit application, anything else that you may need. We do also have commercial lenders available if necessary. Thanks for watching.